Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have multiple monitors and snipping tool is not working properly on your system, then watch this video for the solutions. So we have two solutions here. One is to repair and reset the snipping tool, and for that we will search for snipping tool. We will click on app settings, scroll down and look at click on repair and wait for it to finish and get the tick mark, and then we will click on reset and wait for it to finish and get the click mark, and we will restart the snipping tool and then check if again this problem exists on your multiple monitors. Now the other thing we can do if this problem exists is we need to uninstall snipping tool and then reinstall snipping tool by going to Windows Store and clicking on snipping tool. So we can restart the computer before we again install snipping tool. Restart the computer, come back to Windows Store, and then we will have get here because I have not uninstalled it. It's coming open, but if you have uninstalled it, you will click a get tab. You will get a get tab here. Click on get tab, and it should install in your system, and you should no longer face this issue on your multiple monitors. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.